Hey YouTube, how's it going? So today I'm going to show you how you can send money to your friends through your cell phone, real free and easy. Um, it's called the Cash App, and you just go to the link in the description. And the reason why I'm telling you to use the link in the description is because just by downloading it and trying it, you get $5 that it'll give towards you. So let's say you owe someone $10 and you're going to send it to them. Just by signing up, you're going to get $5 posted into your Cash App account. It's free, it's easy, it's safe. I've been using it for a couple years, and you can also refer your friends to use it too, and you can make $5 with that as well. So they get $5 and you get $5 just for trying it. So if you owe someone money, tell them tell them to get the Cash App, and that way you can send the money, but make sure that you refer them so that you get the $5. Then really what you're really only sending them $5, and then they're getting a free $5 just for signing up, which is why if you use that link, you're gonna get the $5 as well. So hope that all makes sense to you guys. If you guys have some questions or comments or anything like that, I know there's Venmo too that people use, but I prefer the Cash App because they actually have a referral program where you can make money just by using it and getting money just by downloading it. And then you can also tell other people about it and get a $5 referral as well. So that's why I prefer the Cash App. It's just as safe, super easy to use. I've used it a lot of times. So please rate, comment, subscribe. Again, if you have any questions, leave them in the description. And I hope you guys found this video helpful, and have a nice day.